This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Myers, Florida, 33908 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 7, Slideout, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.